Ngayong adlaw, ako si Joaquin David V. Batallones and karon kay mag-answer ta og rationalization sa physics. Let's start. 1. It is the distance traveled per unit time. A. Acceleration. B. Velocity. C. Speed. D. Momentum. Akong answer aning number 1 is letter C, which is ang speed. Kaya ang speed kadali sa paglihok per unit time. Sa iyo pang A, kay pag-usap sa speed per unit time, dili actual na speed. Sa iyo pang B, kay speed nga naay direction mas kumpleto. Sa iyo pang D, kay momentum gikan sa mass times velocity, dili distance over time. 2. In the anatomy of a wave, what is the point that exhibits the maximum amount of positive or upward displacement from the rest position? A. Trough. B. Peak. C. Crest. D. Amplitude. Akong answer aning number 2 is letter C. Crest. Kaya ang crest, pinakataas nga punto sa wave. Sa iyo pang A, pinakababa nga punto. Sa iyo pang B, dili standard wave part. Sa iyo pang D, sukod gikan rest, padulong rest, dili point. 3. A biker traveled 15 kilometers for 3 hours and cycled another 10 kilometers for 2 hours in the same direction. What is the biker's average speed for his whole journey? A. 10 kilometers per second. B. 10 kilometers per hour. C. 5 kilometers per hour. D. 20 kilometers per hour. Ako answer aning number 3 is letter C. Okay, 25 kilometers divided by 5 hours is equals to 5 kilometers per hour. Sa iyo pang A, dili realistic line unit. Sa iyo pang B, doble sa actual. Sa iyo pang D, lapas rapod kaayo. 4. What do you call an object upon which the only force acting is gravity? A. Bullet. B. Shot. C. Projectile. D. Matter. Ako answer aning number 4 is letter C. Projectile. Kaya ang object nga gravity ra ang force after launch. Sa pang A, example lang, dili definition. Sa pang B, dili scientific term. Sa pang D, general term. 5. It is defined as the product of force and displacement. A. Torque. B. Impulse. C. Work. D. Momentum. Ako answer aning number 5 is letter C. Work. Okay. Force times displacement. Sa pang A, for rotation, linear motion. Sa pang B, kay force times time. Sa pang D, kay mass times velocity. What is the SI unit for work? A. Kilograms meters per second squared. B. Joule. C. Newton. D. Nm. Ako answer aning number 6 is letter B. Joule. Pneumonia ang SI unit sa work. Sa pang A kay Newton or unit of force. Sa pang C, dili unit sa work. Sa pang D, equivalent sa joule pero sakto nga standard answer equals joule. 7. Referring on the following graph, at what point of time did the object start accelerating? A. At time equals 0. B. At time equals 4. C. At time equals 6. D. At time equals 8. Ako answer aning number 7 is letter C. At time equals 6. Kay slope na busab, mga din siyang acceleration. Sa pang A, constant speed pa. Sa pang B, constant paghihapon. Sa pang D, late na, nagsugod na o accelerate before. 8. Which graph shows an accelerated motion going to the negative direction? Ako answer aning number 8 is letter C. Kay nag-accelerate siya downward or negative. Sa'yo pang A, positive direction. Sa'yo pang B, constant, daily accelerating. Sa'yo pang D, daily klaro acceleration. 9. What is the wavelength of the wave shown in the diagram? A1, B2, C4, D5. Ako answer ng number 9 is letter C, which is ang 4. Okay, 1 full press to press measurement. Sa'yo pang A, mubo kayo. Sa'yo pang B, dili tibok cycle. Sa'yo pang D, sobra. Then, what is the amplitude of the wave shown in the diagram? A, 0, B, 1 meter, C, 1.5 meter, D, 2 meters. Ako answer aning number 10 is letter C, which is ang 1.5 meter. Kay mo ni ang sakto. Sa'yo pang A kay dili wave kung 0. Sa'yo pang B, mupo sa actual. Sa'yo pang D, sobra ra sa kay. 11. Harold has a condition called hyperopia. He can see things that are far better than those near. His doctor recommended using glasses to correct his eyesight. What is the best type of lens to use to correct his eyesight? A. Convex lens. B. Concave lens. C. Bifocal lens. D. Cylindrical lens. Ako answer aning number 11 is letter A, which is ang convex lens. Kaya mo-focus sa light padulang retina. Sa'yo pang B, para nearsighted siya. Sa'yo pang C, para both near and far vision. And sa'yo pang D, para siya sa astigmatism. 12. Which of the following devices consume the least amount of energy? A. 25-watt incandescent bulb used for 5 hours. B. 60-watt electric fan used for 7 hours. C. 100-watt LCD television used for 1 hour. D. 5-watt LED bulb used for 12 hours. Ako answer ano yung number 12 is letter D, which is ang 5-watt LED bulb used for 12 hours. Yun mo siya ang pinakagamay. Sa'yo pang A, pasta po. Sa'yo pang B, sayo. And also C, sayo po. 13. What is the displacement of a car that travels 60 kilometers north and then 40 kilometers south? A. 100 kilometers north. B. 20 kilometers north. C. 20 kilometers south. D. 100 kilometers south. Ako answer ni number 13 is letter B. 20 kilometers north. Kaya mo ni ang sakong displacement. Sa'yo pang A, distance ra, dili displacement. Sa'yo pang C, wrong direction. Sa'yo pang D, dako kayo, og sayo. 14. Which of the following represents a balanced force system? A. A car accelerating on a straight road. B. A book resting on a table. C. A ball rolling down a hill. D. A rocket launching into space. Ako answer aning number 14 is letter B, which is ang book resting on a table. Kaya ang net force is equals to 0. Sa'yo pang A na ay acceleration. Sa'yo pang C na ay unbalanced force downward. Sa'yo pang D, ang rocket requires unbalanced thrust. 15. What do you call the path followed by a projectile? A. Trajectory. B. Trail. C. Echo. D. Stream. Ako ang answer aning number 15 is letter A, which is ang trajectory. Kaya mo ang path na gina-follow gikan sa projectile. Sa'yo pang B, dili physics term. Sa'yo pang C, sound reflection. Sa'yo pang D, flow sa liquid or gas. 16. At what angle does an athlete have to launch a ball to cover the maximum range? A. 0 degree. B. 15 degrees. C. 45 degrees. D. 60 degrees. Ako answer aning number 16 is letter C. Kay 45 degrees ang sakto ani. Sa'yo pang A kay labay tulid gamay rag range. Sa'yo pang B dili optimal. Sa'yo pang D mas taas pero mabuo ang range. 17. Which is an example of a force? A. Frictional force. B. Strong force. C. Normal force. D. All of the above. Ako answer ang number 17. Kay wala ilain kundi ang D. All of the above. Kay tanan choices ani are example of forces. 18. A boy used 17 Newton of force to push a box 10 meters across their classroom. How much work was done by the boy? A. 17 joule. B. 27 joule. C. 170 joule. D. 100 joule. Ako answer ni number 18 is letter C. May mo niya ang saktong answer which is ang 117 joule. Sa'yo pang A kay kulang, sa'yo pang B sa'yo ang compute, sa'yo pang D dilimaw ang force times distance. 19. A 10 kilograms object experiences a horizontal force which causes it to accelerate at 5 meters per second squared, moving it a distance of 20 meters horizontally. How much work is done by the force? A. 100 kilograms meters squared over second squared. B. 100 newtons. C. 1000 newtons. D. 200 newtons. Ako ang sa number 19 is letter C, kaya ang value niya is equals to 1000 joule. Sa'yo pang A, 100 joule rami. Sa'yo pang B, force ra, daily work. Sa'yo pang D, sa'yo ang value. 20. In a complex electrical system, 5 wires are connected to a junction. Wire A carries 8A of current going into the junction, while wire B carries 3A of current going out. Wire C carries 4A going in, and wire D carries 5A going out. What does wire E carry? A. Wire E carries 2A going into the junction. B. Wire E carries 2A going out of the junction. C. Wire E carries 4A going into the junction. D. Wire E carries 4A going out of the junction. Ako ang sa number 20 is letter D. Wire E carries 4A going out of the junction. Kanya ang gipili na answer kay ang wire E carries 4A going out. Sa'yo pang A, 2A in sa'yo. Sa'yo pang B, 2A out sa'yo put. Sa'yo po lang C kay 4A in. So, sa'yo po siya. And mao to tanan ang rationalization sa physics. Thank you and goodbye.